Hello everyone, this is Deveshwara from BeetleBite.com and today we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 with us. So this is a premium smartphone from Samsung, as all of you must be aware of. And so this is a upscale version of Samsung Galaxy S8. It includes a S Pen and a plethora of more features. It comes with wireless charging, 6.3-inch Quad HD Plus display, 12 megapixel dual camera setup and a 8 megapixel autofocus selfie camera. So let's just get rid of the upper packaging. So here's the nice and clean box. Slide it open. So the first thing you can see is the smartphone itself. Okay, so the smartphone has been unboxed before, so we have repackaged everything. So let's just begin. So here's the smartphone itself. Let's power it on. So that's a USB Type-C port. That was a first for the Galaxy S8, and this was the second flagship smartphone from Samsung to feature a Type-C port. A 3.5mm jack and a fingerprint scanner. Let's have a look at the other contents in the box. So let's have a look what comes inside the box. So here's the SIM ejector pin. As you can see, the company has included a plastic case inside. So this smartphone was basically imported from the United Arab Emirates, and that's why you're seeing the Arabic language here. And these are just quick start guide, warranty card and blah blah. So let's just get rid of this. So these are the ear tips for the included AKG earphones. And here are the AKG earphones, and they are pretty nice to listen to. They have some really good audio quality, and as you can see, the cable itself is braided, which means these earphones can last you for a long time. So Samsung has also included a USB Type-C to USB Type-A adapter. So this can basically be used either to attach your pen drives or your external hard drives, but it can also be used to transfer data from your older Samsung smartphone or to a newer one using Samsung Switch. The company has also included a USB Type-C to micro USB port, since the Type-C is pretty new for a lot of people and we all have micro USB cables just lying around. So then we have some extra tips for the S Pen. Here's the charger. It's a 15-watt adaptive fast charging adapter. Then we have a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. Now let's just get rid of all of this and focus on the smartphone itself. So here's the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. It comes with a 6.3-inch Super AMOLED display with Quad HD resolution. It has a dual camera setup at the back. Both the sensors are 12 megapixels each, and that's the fingerprint sensor. And there is also a infrared sensor which is used to basically monitor your pulse rate using your index finger or any other finger. And so let's just run down through the specifications that are under the hood. So it comes with 6 GB of RAM, 64 GB of onboard storage, and it runs on Exynos 8895 processor, and it can accept a 256 GB micro SD card via this slot, which can accept either a micro SD card and a SIM card, or 2 SIM cards. So here's the phone itself. So it has already been set up because I was using this phone. So I have updated this to the latest Samsung One UI, the Android 9 Pie. I'll just show it to you. So yeah, also this phone comes with a 3300 milliamp hour battery, and also the phone comes with IP68 water resistance. And just for the software information, here you go. It's running on One UI version 1.0 and Android 9 Pie. So okay guys, this is just a first look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and a look at what comes inside the box. So we'll be bringing more such videos, so keep following us, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share it among your friends. Thank you, goodbye.